Hi, welcome to the Metal Shop. Ready to go over here to this awesome machine. Woo! See this butte right here? This is the wire wheel. This is a metal grinder. Amazing machine. Just look at that. This is the wire wheel. What you use for a wire wheel is that you take a piece of metal and you use it, put up against it, and it cleans up all the rust and just stuff you don't want on it. And it makes it clean and it makes it look like this. And this is the bottom, and this is what it looks like when it's not. So let's Mars wasn't here. We couldn't actually use the wire wheel. We actually had to use the wire brush. So it's not the same. Metal grinder. You just use it to grind metal. It takes away pieces of the metal and takes off against the size. So you can get to the correct size you want. It also gives it smooth edges. It's pretty nice. Clarify on how to use the wire wheel. What you got to do is take the piece of metal. You can either use one hand or two hands, and then you're going to put it up against the little platform right here. Make sure the bottom part touches it first, and then you can either go up or down a little bit, or you can go side to side. It don't matter. It cleans off all the excess right here. The metal grinder. I don't know how to demonstrate this, but this is what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to take the metal. You can either use two hands and put it up against the platform here, and then just put it up against the grinder. You go back and forth or straight in. Don't matter. It gets nice smooth edges. First, safety glasses. Second, helmet. Then you turn on the machine. Properly use it. I wish that I could show you a proper demonstration of how to use this beautiful machine, but I can't. Which is okay, but